Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MSI Analytics. So in today's video, we are going to show you how you can quickly change the data type of the columns present in your dataset in Power Query. So first of all, I have already loaded my dataset and these are all the columns my dataset has. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right on it and then I'm going to select Edit Query. So now it is going to open a Power Query editor and here you would be able to visualize all of your data. So as you can see, it is showing us all the columns and the values for it. So now let's say you are working with this order date column. So you are going to select this column and as you can see that the data type for this column is text. So just simply going to select this option and change it to date time or date. I am going to show you both of the date types. So first of all, let's turn it to date type. And we are going to obviously replace the current data. And here you go. As you can now see that the data type is now in date format. But now let's turn it into date and time. So we're going to select date and time and we're going to replace current. And here you go, it is showing us all the time with the date while the data was generated. So it means that this entry was done on this date at this time. You can also choose date, time and time zone too. So now it is showing us the time zone with date and time. Let's keep it date for now. And let's say we are working with shift mode column, or we can also choose a number column which is more easy for us. So we are working with the sales column. Now we can see that the data type for this column is whole number. You can also choose the data type to decimal number. But the data does not have decimal number, so it is showing us in the whole number format. But let's say we have decimals in profit. So we are going to select this column and we are going to put this in whole number format. And here you go, you can see that all the decimal places are gone. You can also change the type of the column. So let's say we have this as the number format, but we don't want it in number format, we just want the values in text format so that data doesn't calculate on its own while we are making the dashboard or doing the calculation. So we're just simply going to select it to text format. So now you can see that these are just the values in the text format and they are not recognized as numbers. So this is how you can change the data types according to your preference and requirement of the dashboard. So I hope you learned something new in this video. Give us your feedback below in the comments. See you in the next video.